Welcome to PrimePay. Learn how to easily make a single FT payment as a transaction maker through this tutorial. Log into PrimePay and select the FT payment option from the menu. Select the account from which you want to send the money. Next, select the checker for your transaction. Enter the credit account number and account name. Mention the purpose of your transaction to make it easier to track in the future. Providing email and mobile number is not mandatory, but you may add them if needed. If you frequently send money to the same beneficiary, you can save them as a beneficiary. Once all the information is confirmed, select Create Batch, click OK, and complete your transaction. This is how you can easily make FT payments through PrimePay.